How to set up bill payments using Discover Bank Online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily set up bill payments using Discover Bank Online. So first thing, simply head over to your any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Discover Bank Online, or you can also just head over to discover.com and make sure you're currently logged into your account. And once you successfully log into your account, you just have to look for the Pay My Bills link or a similar option to go to the Bill Pay dashboard. And on the dashboard, you just have to find the Pay tab and just click on the Add Pay and enter the pay's name and other required information to add them to your list. And similarly, you can actually schedule a payment from the pay list and select the pay you wish to pay and enter the amount you want to pay, and choose your payment options such as a one-time payment or a recurring payment, and simply select a send date and review estimated delivery date, and set up payment alerts if desired. So once you do all of that, you can just review all the details to ensure they are correct and just click on pay or confirm to submit your payment. A confirmation message will appear to confirm your payment was sent. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.